What is going on, MOASS Nation? Guess who I have with me today? It's Chris from Spot On Analysis. Oh my goodness, you guys are going to be so excited because we've got a action-packed video to deliver to you today. We're going to be talking about AMC. We're going to be talking about metamaterials. We're going to be talking about the whole metaverse thing, or at least Chris is. He's going to do his part. I'm going to do mine. And without any further ado, we're going to get right into the video right after you smash that thumbs up button because we need the YouTube algorithm to share this video with as many apes as possible. And for the love of God, if you're not subscribed yet to my channel, to this man's channel, why in the hell have you not subscribed yet? Go ahead and do that. It's very easy.
Not my channel.
I bet he don't want you subscribed to his channel. Dirty, freaking nasty apes. Go take a shower, get all them fleas off of you, and eat all your bananas. Make sure they're organic. All right, let's get right into the video. So, Chris, you cover MMAT.
I cover MMAT. It's just been a crazy week. I hadn't done anything lately with them, Pat.
Why not?
Well, we had a little bit of noise going on. You know, did you know Facebook changed the name? You've been going really, really strong. I've been watching because you know I'm sub to you as well. You've been going really strong with the AMC material, hitting these guys up, man. And we just had a few questions from my channel because I can't cover the meme stocks, and I have a list of these questions that they wanted to ask you.
What do your subscribers want to ask me?
They've asked me, but I said I'll ask you.
Okay.
So the number one thing, what they want to know about the MOASS Nation is, what is it? When is it going to MOASS? All of this, I say, hey, no one knows. But what can you tell us about Cramer? He's been getting a rough time, a lot of airplay. What's the deal with Cramer? Is he part of MOASS Nation? Is he in or out?
Cramer, he's a very complex character, Chris. Basically, Cramer is full of what I would call spit. And he's a piece of spit as well. And the deal with Cramer is that one day he's with the MOASS Nation, the next day he's not. Right now, and as you can see by the last two videos I put out, he seems to be with MOASS Nation. But I kind of have my doubts about that. I don't know what in the hell he's doing. But he's basically kissing the apes' asses. I don't know if there's an ulterior motive there. He's talking about AMC is going up after the earnings call, even though the valuation ain't really there. So he kind of insulted us, spit on us, and then picked us back up.
Adam Aver's in fundamental mode. You guys just want the ass. The MOASS. Okay.
We just want the MOASS.
The second question I get a lot, and I have this as well. When are you going to pick back up on the documentary about Ken Griffin and the Russian Mafia?
I can't answer that. Listen, the last time I did, the last video, it was video number 3 of that
But people died. We had hookers with needles in their arms.
And nobody cared.
Nobody
cared.
Okay.
My channel was about half the size of what it is now at the time when I put that out, but only got like 1,400 views. So I said, you know what? You know, maybe my audience just doesn't like it. They liked the first 2 parts. The third one didn't get many views. Maybe it got too boring for them. But I didn't even get to cover the Ken Griffin part and how he's explaining all of that. So
that's crazy.
Hey, it's coming. You guys let me know in the comments below. Do you guys want me to continue that series?
We're waiting. So people from my channel waiting on it.
Okay.
So if you can finish that, because hookers, needles, Ken Griffin, the SEC,
Jim Cramer even was involved in that.
Adult beverage. That's what we want to see after a long day's work. One final question. You talk a lot about Ken Griffin on your channel. So why is he not in jail?
Well, because he hasn't been arrested yet, Chris. Here's the thing. Ken Griffin is what we call a billionaire. And he likes to throw his money around and make things happen which favor him. But now the SEC, Gary Gensler, I got to admit, you know, I didn't have much faith in Gary Gensler. Okay, and I still don't know what to make of Gary Gensler, but it seems like some of the things he's doing now, and it's probably pressure from the Senate and everything, with everything going on, which is why things are starting to happen. But you know, I still don't know about the guy, but I think that things are going towards our direction, in our favor, at least. Things are being changed little by little, and we may, you know, get there hopefully soon, because I want to see that MOASS and I want to experience it.
Good man. I root for MOASS Nation from afar. So it's always good to just keep up with your channel. Did you have anything from the small group of fundamentals that follow me? Did you say you had a couple of guys on your channel that was interested in metamaterials?
Yes, I've made some metamaterials videos in the past. Only a couple, but I did get some subs off of that. And so basically, Chris, we just want to know, you know, if you could give us a brief narrative of.
Well, as you know, I covered them from top to bottom. I did a whole equity analysis series on those guys. And at the end of that series, I created a fundamental cheat sheet for my subscribers who followed that company. So when Facebook come out and changed their name to Metaverse, we saw a spike in metamaterials. MMAT went up. But for people who follow my channel, they were able to go and look at the cheat sheet, and they can differentiate between what it would be a short squeeze and a hype stock, or a pump and dump, versus real fundamental earnings, and quality actions that will move a stock. So they will wake up, they'll look at earnings and look at their cheat sheet and say, you know what, this stock is moving non-fundamentally. It's a mem status into that universe. It's okay to be over there as long as you know that you're over there. There's so many people in a mem stock for fundamental reasons.
Well, Chris, I think the question on everybody's mind is, do you own any metamaterials?
I do not own metamaterials. It is not because I don't like them. It is for lack of resources. I have so much money in other places. With over 100,000 securities in the world trading a day, you just kind of run out of money unless you're Ken Griffin. Right. When the MOASS come, a lot of these guys can invest in whatever they want. But I do, have Fubo. I do have Neo. I'm trying to get into Amazon. So I have a lot of the companies that I cover, I really believe in. I do cover some companies I do not own, metamaterials, BNGO. I do own Humble. But it's just, I just can't cover everyone. I won't get on here and say, hey, I'm some millionaire. I am not Ken Griffin. I've not been blessed with any MOASS. I was not in on AMC at $3 a share. So it's just due to scarcity of funds and not any hating. So gotcha. I would get in those guys if I could, if I had the money. So if these guys cash at me, I'll be in metamaterials tonight or Monday morning. Right.
Cool. Well, I'm going to give you guys the brief rundown on what's going down with AMC. It's not a whole lot of new stuff, but we do know that they're reporting earnings on the 8th. According to Cramer, and I just put that video out, guys, check it out. AMC is going to go up because Adam Aron is a pimp. And these aren't Jim Cramer's words. This is me translating ape language, what Jim Cramer basically said. He said that AMC is overvalued at the current price, but you can't freaking underestimate what Adam Aron will do. And because of that, you know what? He thinks that AMC is going to go higher after earnings. But if you guys watched my video previously about AMC earnings, I think it was like 3, 4, 5 days ago. I don't know. I make so many videos, it's hard to keep up. Sometimes I drop 3 a day, okay? Make sure you watch all of them. Basically, what's going on is all of the companies in that industry have had an extremely strong October. But even before that, we could see that the industry is really picking up. So we can expect, I'm expecting strong earnings, better than the last quarter. And that could cause the stock to go up. But at the same time, what you guys have to remember is sometimes it takes the market a little while to digest good news, even bad news. But if we see something bad happen to the stock price, hang in there. Don't get down about it. Buy more if you can afford to. But remember, when the MOASS comes, you're going to wish you had more. So, that's the only advice I can give you. It's what I'm doing myself, but I'm not a financial advisor. This man is.
I am not financially advising anyone on top ticker trades, just to be clear.
That's our disclaimer. Also, Chris, you probably don't know this, but AMC, Adam Aron just announced that they're getting into the popcorn business. So they're going to be selling popcorn at convenience stores, pretty much at their theaters. And I'm not talking about popcorn that's already popped and made and ready to go. They're selling like packaged popcorn that people can buy, take home, and pop it in their own microwave.
So did they acquire a popcorn manufacturer, or?
I have no details on that yet. All I know is that it was announced that they're starting their own popcorn business. But now that you asked that, I'm going to look into it so that my
because the problem with AMC isn't popcorn.
What is it?
It's profits.
Yes.
Is it profitable to do? So
that's what we're going to figure out.
Who's already in the popcorn business? What are their margins looking like?
Cinemark is, and I'm glad you asked that because Cinemark is, and Cinemark did somebody put out an article, okay, which has Cinemark talking about how AMC is not going to be any more profitable by selling this popcorn because it didn't really make a difference for Cinemark. Now,
well, AMC has one thing Cinemark doesn't.
What's that?
And they have a following.
They have Apes.
And it does not matter what the financial statements do. You remember that video I did, very, very unpopular video I did 6 months ago on Neo?
Right.
When I told the people, and I hold Neo, I said, they're not going to 100. And I got crucified.
Yeah.
We are in, November here. We're still not at 100. So the only way it could get to 100 if the following takes it to 100. And that's what AMC has, and that's what no one else has. So it's a little bit of a jealousy factor because fundamentally you're beating them on the financial documents.
Yeah.
But you're not beating them in the court of public opinion, and that's what AMC has. That's what no one else has. So go Apes, continue to apply pressure, and continue to wait on the MOASS.
The MOASS is coming. You best to believe that. That's all we got for today's video, guys. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Nah, screw Instagram. I don't even have it. Subscribe to this channel if you're new here and if you've never seen my videos before because you're going to love them. Subscribe to this man at Spot.
Not my channel. We don't do MOASS on my channel.
He doesn't do MOASS.
We don't do MOASS. We got a boring analysis channel. So
if you want to learn stuff, go to his channel.
Yeah, I come here for fun. I made his channel for fun. We have college lectures on my channel.
Yeah, they do. And there's a lot of numbers involved.
Numbers, calculus. So I have a different, I think my average demographic on my channel is 50 to 60-year-old middle-aged men from the United States. So we have a lot of fun. I'm going to get into some retirement stuff, some 401k stuff. So, man, I love my family over there, but this is definitely where the party's at.
It is. He ain't lying.